Hello friends, in this video we're going to fix the error. Unhandled exception has occurred while running an application. This error usually appears when running an application or sometimes even out of nowhere. In most cases, it happens because the .NET framework is corrupted, Windows system files are damaged, or your system drivers are outdated. So without wasting any time, let's jump right in and get this problem resolved. First, click on the Windows Start button and open Settings. When Settings window open, then go to Windows Update tab, then click on Update History. Under Related Settings, click on Uninstall Updates. Here, you'll see a list of recently installed updates. Check the dates and uninstall the most recent update, because sometimes a new update can cause issues with the .NET framework and corrupt its files. Once the update is uninstalled, restart your system and try running the application again and see if the problem is fixed. And if that doesn't work, move on to the next step. Go to Windows Search and type Windows Features. Then open Turn Windows Features on or off. In this window, make sure both .NET framework options are checked. If they're unchecked, enable both of them and click OK. Windows will start searching for the required files, and after a few seconds, you'll see this screen. Choose the first option that lets Windows download the files for you. It will download and install the required or missing .NET framework components. This process may take a few minutes, so just let it complete. After Windows finishes applying the changes, close this window and go back to the Windows Search. Now open Command Prompt as an administrator. Here we're going to run a few important commands. First, type sfc/scannow and press enter. This command will scan your system files and automatically repair any corrupted or missing files. It often fixes a lot of underlying issues, including problems related to the .NET framework. Let the scan run until it reaches 100. Once that's done, run the next command, which is the Deployment Image Servicing and Management command. Make sure you type this command correctly. I will mention both commands in video description. You can copy and paste in directly in your command window. This tool repairs corruption inside the local Windows image and fixes issues that may prevent Windows from working properly. Let it complete as well. When both commands finish, restart your computer one more time. This should fix Unhandled Exception Has Occurred error in your application. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.